Hello guys, let's learn some colors name. Violet color, purple color, dark green color, light green color, dark blue color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color, yellow color, black color, brown color, red color. Today we'll learn some alphabets and numbers. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Purple color. A. Violet color. B. Orange color. C. Sky blue color. D. Yellow color. E. Red color. F. Black color. G. Pink color. H. Light green color. I. Dark blue color. J. Brown color. K. Violet color. L. Sky blue color. Number 1. Red color. Number 2. Light green color. Number 3. Orange color. Number 4. Pink color. Number 5. Dark green color. Number 6. Yellow color. Number 7. Purple color. Number 8. Dark green color. Number 9. Sky blue color. Number 10. Red color. Number 11. Orange color. Number 12. A for avocado. B for blueberry. C for candy. D for dog. E for eggplant. F for flowers. G for goat. H for head. I for iron. J for jelly. K for kiwi. L for lemon. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10, number 11, number 12. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye.